We've had some really interesting news coming out the last couple days from the Middle East. In Lebanon, people who have been holding to pagers and then walkie talkies have had them explode. And apparently, this is some spy thing that Israel has been doing. And this sounds like some James Bond movie scenario or something you read in a spy novel. But it's interesting to see how Israel intercepted pagers and walkie-talkies from somewhere, put bombs in them, put everything back together and packaging, have them shipped to Lebanon, and then fool people to use these devices. And then they sent some type of code from Israel to detonate these devices. Now it's hard to see all these people getting harmed and hurt, but as a geek, this technology is very weird and interesting.